How to turn off or turn on read receipts on Microsoft Teams app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable read receipts on Microsoft Teams. So first thing, go to the app and go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then choose settings and go down until you find the messaging option. Click on messaging. Now you will find read receipts option here in the chat, and you can disable it from here or enable it just by clicking on it. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.